Have you ever got a slight issue of your Nintendo Switch controllers just sliding off very easily, just like that? Look, yeah, we all hate it, especially in games. Imagine just playing, and then all of a sudden, oh, your controller just left. Yeah, I hate it. Well, today's your day. I solved it. It's pretty simple. Just imagine you playing, and all of a sudden this happens. Well, you're in luck. Just just cut up a cardboard piece which is this thin, comparing to nail thickness. Wait, comparing to nail thickness is just pretty thick paper, but it actually solves it. Comparing to this, wait, please do focus for God's sake. Okay, okay. Comparing to this, yeah, it's thick, but it's not that thick. So how I solved it is just doing this. It might scratch up this, but hey, it's an old device. We can lose nothing. Since these clips are outdated and the springs aren't that springy no more, so don't blame these. It's just this controller part. So first of all, you just take this, place it in here. Just place it like this. Then take this part, push, and then push. It might be a bit tough, but it actually pushes smoother and smoother. And yeah, we fixed the first spot, and to the second spot. Same story, just place it, and take the controller, place it, wait, just a bit higher, place it, and slide off. And voila, you got a reliable controller that wouldn't slide. Thank you.